Recording. And that big red button is how you shoot, okay? That red button right there.
Oh.
Okay, stop. You're good. You okay there?
Darn it.
Okay. Keep going.
You can shoot yourself, Larry.
Shoot at me.
Me.
Shoot at me. Push that red button.
Oh, got me. Yeah, don't let him shoot the camera.
I'm not. That's why I have this. Okay, shoot at me. It's all for the video.
Oh, come on. Come on this way.
Okay, shoot.
Oh! I don't. I'm watching, not paying attention. Oh, we gotta load it up again.
You hold that. I'll tell Mom that she can fly the other helicopter. Because she's good at flying. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Take it off and don't crash it.
Okay.
Now. There it goes. Mom. Mom.
I love them. And it's like, I don't give a
You can fly the other
give
helicopter.
them rats if I'm
Should I go
not
show
there.
Grandpa how to fly?
He's flying.
We gotta go show Grandpa how to fly helicopter.
And where'd it go?
Where's the other one? Where's the other helicopter?
Whoa. Whoa. It's in the computer room. Whoa! Whoa! Already got nailed in the nose by it.
Oh, he's doing good. Oh, you're in trouble.
Oh! Load the other one up.
Oh.
It's on the side.
Huh?
Where'd it shoot? Watch out.
Jack, this is so good. So is Carsey's basketball.
Buck, or Jack, it's up there in front.
Oh my gosh, Jack, you look like that.
You gotta hold it. It doesn't. That one's been acting up. So
It's like Troy on you.
wait. I'll tell you when to let go. Okay. Go, Grandpa. Okay, you can let go. It's at full throttle.
Picture of you, honey.
It's hard for it.
Yeah.
Oh!
Okay.
Oh, wait a minute.
Whoa.
Oh!
I watched it crash.
Oh, it quit!
Ow.
Oh, I must have.
Oh my gosh, here's another one.
Yeah, that one has a video camera and it takes pictures.
Oh God.
No.
Whoa. Ah! I got it. Here you go, Mom.
Mom does pretty good with it too. She brought it right around the light. She's going to get Grant.
Whoa!
Shoot that other helicopter, Larry.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Oh! What the heck?
Jack.
Whoa! This is dangerous. I want to get some of Mom's helicopter. Attack Mom! Attack Grandpa!
Oh, it's moving my head.
Attack Grandpa's. Over it is.
Oh gosh, aren't they something?
Yeah, they are.
Oh,
They're way better than what they used to be,
I'm
aren't
trying
they?
to get after that one.
Oh, mine's loosened.
Power.
Come on back over here.
You gotta wait for a while.
Oh well.
Yeah, everyone's spinning out of control. It's going out of Patrol, mayday, 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 mayday. I didn't hit the dog. Hey, Grandpa, you can still take yours off. It's on the ground. Shotgun, sure.
I want to learn why you can kick right off from the ground. It's on the ground behind you. Oh.
Go. Come on. Go attack Grandpa. No, you can keep flying. I'm just giving it a boost. Come on. It's.
Get it out of here.
Oh,
Well,
okay.
I think it's just having problems. Here.
Got it.
It's hard. You just gotta let it up slowly. Well, slowly. Slowly, 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 slowly. But once it gets in the air, you give it lots of gas.
Did you get any more of them critters that were coming up the thing?
I shot them all.
How many? How many, Jack?
Oh, is that all the way up?
How many did you shoot?
Oh,
Nope.
a lot. That shot
What's a
two.
lot? Tell Grandma.
Two.
Two. Oh.
Actually, I think I shot three. Yeah.
Oh, it's on the side.
What do you
It's
call them
running
things
low.
again?
And it's dead.
Yeah, it's dead.
What do you call them things again that you shot?
It needs to charge now.
Fruit? Fruit. That's what I had. That's what them were that you took out at my house.
Oh, these are
Yeah,
gone.
she
They're
run
gone
dead.
out of here.
Huh?
It was fun while it lasted. I want to watch that
That's
over.
what was in that tractor that you took out at my place.
Yeah.
That's what they were, because they were black. They were black. I thought they were black mice.
Should I turn off
Yeah.
Oh!
Got it. Yeah.